Welcome to the battery shop. Today we will be replacing the 12-volt battery in this 2015 Volkswagen Tiguan. The battery is located right under the hood. Let's get started. With gloves and safety glasses on, the first step is to remove the cover from the battery box. Next, loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable. You will need a 10mm wrench for this. Then remove the negative battery cable from the battery's negative terminal and set it off to the side. Next, loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable, again using your 10mm wrench. And remove the positive battery cable from the battery's positive terminal and set it off to the side. Make sure it does not touch any metal on the vehicle. Next, remove the front of the battery box for easier access to the hold-down bracket. Then loosen and remove the fastener for the battery's hold-down bracket using your 13mm wrench and extension. Now we can remove the old battery and its heat shield. Then reinstall the new battery and its heat shield. Next, install the hold-down bracket and fastener. And tighten the bolt. Then reinstall the positive battery cable on the battery's positive terminal. It is always a good idea to clean up any corrosion on the terminal and cable connection before doing so. And tighten the fastener. Next, reinstall the negative battery cable on the battery's negative terminal. And tighten the fastener. Then install the front of the battery box. Finally, attach and close the cover for the battery box.
And we're done!